Ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ha ka khatsan tarik liber kala penlong ya ka program ban kitbok kitweng ya ka kynhun ya le ka jila ban mi ha ka sing jan ban let ban shimbanta sha ka lumpong ba ya le ka jong ka than ka third North East Games 2024 ka ban long ha Nagaland nado khat phra tarik hado ar phulai tarik uni ubnai ha ka ni ka kanti ka MSOA kalase madan ya ka kynhun ka ban ya khun hadu khat saw tali ki ja jingele kai bakan thup ya ka archery athletics badminton basketball boxing football belt wrestling freestyle wrestling lawn tennis pencak silat table tennis taekwondo volleyball bat wushu ha bakhen kulum lang baro ka Meghalaya ha ka ne ka kanti kan se madan hadu arts pa sab khandai ngut tang kinong ele kai bat ban banrap lang ye ki coach manager nangta u chef di mission assistant chef di mission bat kiwe ya ka ne ka jingelang lapan long ha SSA stadium first ground polo ha ka ba ka kongsan baladan lang de ka kong isa wanda lalu IAS director sports and youth affairs ka sarkar jilla Ringkat Working President but General Secretary ka Meghalaya State Olympic Association ba John F. Karshiing but ba finally parian ki coach ki manager but kinongile kai na baro ki khatsaw tali ki judgingale kai ha ka jingkaran kum ka kongsan ka kong isa wanda lalu kalayeng bakan penkan mau ye kinongile kai ba ha ka ne ka kanti ladan kam ban yale kai kham ha shu da ka badai ban persangkat bala ban kentiu hadu laisha ya ka jingkhur ya kita kema na ka ni ka lumpong ka baladab ban long house nam baladab hangni hapo ka jilla nalor kata ka kong isa wanda ka ngaj ba manla kinongele kai ban mi khmat ya ka jilla kiladab ban ya kilan bahaya lade kumshi benta ka jingpan khre ya ka ni ka lumpong.
I'm so thrilled that we are sending a big contingent and that we are participating in 16 disciplines. And I think, games and events of this scale are no longer alien to any of us. Very recently, I think many of you were at the Meghalaya Games. How many of you were at the Meghalaya Games? Show of hands.
Hands up.
Great. How many of you won medals at the Meghalaya Games?
Raise properly.
Great. How many of you were there at the last Northeast Olympic Games? And how many of you won medals at last year's 2 years Northeast Olympic Games? Raise your hands.
It's so big, athlete, come on.
Very sweeping. We want that number to triple. Okay? We want it to go up by 3 times. What did Bajan just say? In the last Northeast Olympic Games, we came third. We trailed closely behind Arunachal, and Assam won the champion, being the state with the highest number of medals. But that event taught us that the athletes of Meghalaya are no less, are at par and are capable of achieving on the highest platforms. And we know that through the past 2 years, because of the many events that all the associations have had, the MSOA has organized, we know that many of you have it in you to win laurels for your districts, for your schools, your institutions, and the state as a whole. We hope that you have been training hard. I see all of you are looking very serious. Either it's sleepiness or it's determination. So maybe it's determination that you're very serious. You want to, hear these words and you want them to boost your morale. We are here to tell you that we are behind you, we are backing you every step of the way. But if you don't give that much from your side, it is no use, right? We hope that you have been training, we hope that you have been disciplined, we hope that you are going with an aim to win. If you are going with an aim to, yes, have fun, meet friends, that is all well and good. But you are athletes. You are not sightseers, you are not tourists, right? You are athletes. You are going to represent the state of Meghalaya and you want to be champions to come out on top. So which is why I'm telling you that go with a sense of determination, go with a sense of confidence, believe in your own capacity and train hard. Don't rest until the day is done. And, we are proud of all of you for having been selected, and we hope that when you go to Nagaland, you will give it your best. You will practice hard. You will go with a sense of self-worth, and most importantly, you will go with a sense of faith in yourselves and in God. I want to tell you that these are also great learning opportunities for you to see, your sisters and brothers in other parts of the Northeast. When athletes from around the Northeast had come for the games in 2022, we made sure that we gave them the best experience, because it's also a place and opportunity for young people to mingle, to meet, to learn more about each other, about others' cultures, about others' languages, about others' ways of life. This broadens our horizons and our perspectives. It makes us understand that even though we are different, we are one. Right? We love the same sport. We love swimming. We love football. So I want you to, when you go, please remember to conduct yourselves well. You are wearing Meghalaya's colors, and we want that there should be, nothing bad that comes out from there. That people will be proud of you and say that you have upheld and you have lived up to the expectations that Meghalaya has of you. Yes, there may be certain issues here and there that cannot be avoided, but your team leaders, your coaches, your managers are there. Please remember, if there are any issues, raise it to them. Right? In this age of, let's say, social media or negativity, we are so quick to spread rumors or complain and things like that. But let us remember to be a little understanding as well, and we will help and support and motivate each other. If there are any issues, we are also here to support you. We are monitoring and coordinating from our side as best as we can. Conduct yourselves well, be disciplined, and most importantly, do well and bring us home some medals. Okay? All the best to each and every one of you. God bless.